Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're posing the question, do foreigners need to carry their passport all the time here in Thailand? This is kind of one of those things. A few years ago, it was a bigger issue. I think especially during this present high season, this is not going to be something immigration is going to be all over people about. That said, it's always been my rule of thumb, and when I was before I became a Thai citizen, I either always had a Thai driving license, although I've never driven in Thailand, I just used it as an ID, or I always had a copy of my passport and my latest visa on me at all times. In my opinion, that's not a bad idea. In the era of smartphones, I think a photo of one's photo ID of their passport as well as their visa is also not a terrible idea either. I actually created an app specifically for this purpose, the Immigator app. I'll probably go ahead and dust that off now that we've kind of come around the dark side of the moon with respect to this pandemic situation, and maybe roll that back out because I designed it specifically for this purpose. It's kind of like a wallet to keep your travel documents in so that you can just sort of immediately pull it up, if you need it, or if, God forbid, you lose your passport or it's stolen or something, you've got copies of it, sort of even a duplicate of it out there in the cloud. So the thing to take away from this video, though, is no, don't fret greatly if you're walking around without your passport. It's not going to be the end of the world. But it's probably not a bad idea if you've got a smartphone. Just take a photo of the ID page of your passport and a photo of the visa stamp that you got stamped in on, your latest one that keeps you in status up to the point at which you're in Thailand. Not a terrible idea, as well as, if you don't really like doing that on your phone, maybe have a hard copy of it. Just make a copy of both the ID page and the visa page, fold it up, keep it in your wallet, keep it in your purse, whatever. And if the need arises, and it very likely won't, where somebody wants to see proof of your status in Thailand, you just pull that out and say, look, I don't carry my passport on me for obvious reasons. Here's my travel documentation. And in most cases, that's probably not going to be a major issue.